Unfortunately, today's the day we received the Intel i9-12900K CPU, plus a brand new motherboard for Intel 14, 13, and 12th gen CPU. So, in order to put all this in, I had to take everything out. Essentially, the only thing that's staying is the SSD, the RAM, and the GPU. But then, check out the new CPU liquid cooler. I bought a new one. This build has really turned from a $2,200 build to almost a $3,000 build. If I'm not mistaken, it might be actually over. Because the thing is, this guy was about 200 bucks more, and this guy was for sure about 200 bucks more. I know the box is a little damaged, but I think it should be fine. So it's finally time to get to dismantling this PC, implementing the new parts, but I had to ground myself first, and now it's go time to get the new stuff. That's not good. See, that's static.